taste if you like. But I guarantee this will be a hit. Use it for summer picnic, and even, I mean, it's good all year round, but it's really good for summer picnics. So we'll get whipping that up shortly. Okay, I got 1 pound of elbow macaroni going. And over here I got a half a dozen eggs that I'm boiling for my hard-boiled eggs I'm going to need in the salad. In a few minutes these all both be done. Got my green pepper cleaned up. I'm going to dice that up into a small dice. I prefer doing a small dice on all my vegetables. I think it mixes in better into the salad and gives a better flavor all the way through. So I'm going to dice that up nice and small, and I'll give you a chance to see that after I dice it up. The green pepper's diced up. I used about a half of a green pepper, medium size, to get a half a cup of small diced green pepper. And that's going to go into the salad. That's what that's looking like. And we shall continue. I got a half a cup of red onion. I'm using red onion to give a little more eye appeal to the salad. I like the colors in the salad. But you can use whatever type of onion you want to use. Again, I got a half a cup. Now I've diced up 3 to 4 sticks of celery stalks, and I'm going to have 2/3 of a cup of cup. Okay, I've done my carrots. I diced them up small. It's going to take a couple carrots. You want to do 2/3 of a cup. Okay, in a large bowl, we're going to put our elbow macaroni. Get that all in there. Okay, there's a macaroni. Then we're going to add our veggies to it. So we got our red onion, our green bell pepper, we got our carrots, and we got our celery. Dump that in. And that's all we got that goes in our veggies, and we're going to add our spices that we're going to use. Okay, I'm going to put in a teaspoon granulated garlic, so it's a teaspoon of garlic powder, and we're going to do a half a teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of paprika, one tablespoon of parsley flakes, tablespoon of mustard. You can use whatever type mustard you want, whatever floats your boat. Okay, then I'm going to add 2 cups of mayonnaise.
He's alive. I got it.
Okay, the last thing you want to put in are the eggs. I hard boiled 6 eggs. 2 of them I'm going to keep to the side that I'm going to use for a garnish afterwards. I chopped up 4 of them. Again, I chop everything up fine. I like a nice small chop. I put them in, I stirred it all up. Everything's in. What you want to do is if you're making this for, whatever, a party at home, a picnic, barbecue, whatever. If you can make it a day ahead of time, it's going to come out better. You put it in the refrigerator, let it get chilled, and you let all the flavors of the vegetables and the spices marinate through it, and it comes out, it has a lot better flavor if you let it go overnight. I'm going to put it all together today, and you'll see what it looks like when I'm done. Okay, good morning. So it's been overnight. I've had my salad in the refrigerator chilling all night. I'm going to pull her out, see how it looks, and I'm going to finish it off and get it ready for the party I'm going to take it to today. I'm going to my grandson's birthday party. So let me get that baby out and we'll check it out. Let's get a look at it. There it is. Looks a little bit dry on top. I'm going to add a little more mayo to it, stir it up, get a little fluff up, and then I'm going to finish it off. Okay, going to throw in a few more spoonfuls. A couple more spoonfuls of mayo here, work it in. Looks good, smells good. We're doing a little bit of decorating here to our salad, getting ready to go. Put our sliced egg on it. Dress it up a little bit more. I'm going to throw a little bit of paprika on top, get a little color on it. Ready. A little bit of parsley.
How pretty.
We are. Give you a little look at our salad. She's ready to go. And there it is, the Mac salad, the mother of all Mac Daddy salads. You take this recipe, use it, run with it. You want to dress it up, add some of your own stuff to it. Like I said, some people like it with tuna fish or peas. I guarantee it's going to be a hit at the party. Give it a try. Let me know how you make out. Give a comment. See you on the next one.